Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transcribe in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To transcribe audio in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use the built-in speech-to-text feature. This feature automatically converts spoken dialogue into text, and you can use the transcription to generate captions or simply to view the text. How we can do it? Number one is, you want to make sure that you are using the Adobe Premiere Pro from 2020 version until to the recent one, because if it's older than that, you're not going to be able to use this speech-to-text feature. Now, from here, I want you to click the windows, all right, and go to the text. If you click on it, there is a section here that says transcribe sequence. Okay, click that button, and you would notice that now what will happen is there should be a small dialog box that would appear. If you click that, you would notice that the transcription settings has the language here. That means, for example, if you're using a different language or you are planning to use a different language for your transcription, you might want to choose from the supported languages that Adobe Premiere Pro is offering, from English, UK, Simplified Chinese, Mandarin, Spanish, German, French, Japanese. You can choose, all right, depending on your native language. Or if you're whatever your intended audience is going to be. But for now, let's choose English. You have 3 more options here for you to choose from: transcribe in point out to point out, point to out, point only, merge output with existing transcription if you have already a transcription here, opt in to recognize when different speakers are talking. So that is all up to you. Now, but please, you want to make note that when you use this feature, your audio files will be processed and transcribed automatically in the cloud. For example, I am using the Adobe Creative Cloud because that's where I have downloaded the Adobe Premiere Pro. So, you know, it's automatically synced in there. This process cannot be canceled once sent for transcription. If you're happy with that, all right, let's select this. Click the audio one. After clicking the transcribe button, you would notice that you have the transcription ready here in this panel. And as you play along the video, you would notice that the captions are already here. It's kind of really easy, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.